How to fix voice effects not showing on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. As you can see here, I already recorded a video and I do not have all those voice effects. I only have this ones, but I specifically want that voice effect with Spongebob. And as you can see, I do not have it, so I will show you how to fix this problem. So keep on watching. I have a few methods for you to try. The first one, it's super easy, but it helps most of the people, so make sure to try it. So first of all, we will go to Play Store or to App Store and search for TikTok. Now make sure to update your app. As you can see here, I have an update button, so make sure to update your TikTok app as well. I will click on update. After is updating, I will check if now I have those TikTok effects. If I still don't have it, I have another method for you. Now the second method is going to settings, to your phone's settings, then scroll down and go to apps. Now you have to search for TikTok. You can either scroll down or click on the search icon from the bottom, from the top right of the screen. Search for TikTok, click on the app. Then you have to scroll down, click on storage, and now you have to clear the data and the cache. But you have to know that if you clear the data, you will be logged out from your app. So it's better to just clear the cache. Now, if you have an iOS, you will have the option to offload app, so click on that. Now we will go back. And now you can restart your phone and check again if you have those TikTok voice effects. If you don't have it, I have another method for you, and that is going to your TikTok app. Now you have to click on those three lines from the right top corner, then go to settings and privacy. Then you'll have to scroll down until you find report a problem. Now at topics, we have to go to videos and sounds, then go to beauty filters, effects and templates. Then you have to click on filters, effects don't work. Or you can also go to can't find certain filters effects. Now we can follow all these steps right here, and if it still doesn't work, you just have to click on no, our problem is not solved. Click on need more help. And now we will have to briefly explain what happened and what is not working for us. You can say, hello TikTok team. I do not have all the voice effects. Please solve this problem for me. And now you can add your username and your email so they will contact you there. You can also add some screenshots or a little video and then click on submit. And you will receive a response in 2 or 3 days. So if you do have issues with TikTok voice effects, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, what is not working for you, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.